In this video, I will show you how to add some more features in your TinyMCE editor in your WordPress website. So guys, if you are using TinyMCE editor, so you must install this plugin, Post and Page Builder by Bold Grid, Visual Drag and Drop Editor. Post and Page Builder a standalone is a standalone plugin which adds functionality to the existing TinyMCE editor. So guys, just you have to install and activate, and you will see some more feature and functionality in your TinyMCE editor. So this is the famous, popular, and useful plugin for your WordPress experience. So guys, if you are creating WordPress site for self or for client, use this plugin and share your experience by comment section. And if you need any help to use this plugin, or if you are facing any problems, so comment. I will try to answer it. So thanks for watching, and please show your love by subscribing my channel. And also guys, check out my WordPress plugin playlist. There you will find a large number of useful videos about WordPress plugin. So thanks again for watching this video.